attic. So we got this unit here. I'm just here on a, what do you call it, on a PM. It's like a first time PM. I guess this place hasn't been serviced for quite some time. And this is what's happening with this unit. Inducer comes on, and then it cuts off, and then the fan turns on. See? Yeah. Okay, and then we are getting flashes. We're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6 flashes. See what that means. Okay, we found our diagnostic codes. So 6 flashes is we have a reverse polarity. Alright, let's see what's going on with that. So here we go. So the switch looks like it's connected properly. See, so here's your hot right here, and then your neutral's back there. So it's possible maybe they hooked up this box wrong or the board failed. Usually if you get a reverse polarity and you reverse it and it doesn't fix it, that means the board's dead. So we're gonna go ahead and just flip the wires there, just so I don't have to mess with that because I don't know where the breaker is. Okay, so if we trace these wires here, we have one wire going into our door switch and the other one is going into the board. So we'll just swap those, see what happens. So I've swapped it. I put the line neutral on the door switch, and then we've put the black one on the board. So if this is a actual reverse polarity, it should work now. So we're gonna flip the power back on. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, so we still have a reverse polarity. So board's toast, so we need to replace that control board. I don't believe it. They actually have that board in stock. So I'm gonna have that delivered to me, and we'll be changing that today. Yeah, that's out of spec, so it's supposed to be 7.5. So we're gonna change that out too. And once we get this up and running, we'll check everything else. I already cleaned the flame sensor, replaced the filter. I checked the run amps on the blower, which are normal, and the inducer, which are also normal. The Ignitor does have continuity, but I don't know if it works yet. But we'll find out once we get the board. So I got the board, replaced the board. We're calling for heat, and as you can see, it's good to go. So if you ever get a reverse polarity, you swap it and it doesn't work, probably got a dead board. There she goes. So yeah. So anyway, hopefully this helps you out. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am. Hit that bell notification and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.